Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare HubSpot versus Notion. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring what each platform offers in terms of features and benefits. Our goal is to help you understand which solution might be the best fit for your specific business needs, whether you're a small team or a growing enterprise. We'll look at their strengths and ideal use cases to guide your decision-making process effectively. HubSpot stands out as a comprehensive customer relationship management platform, offering integrated tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. It's designed to help businesses attract, engage, and delight customers through features like email automation, lead tracking, and robust analytics. If your primary focus is on scaling customer interactions and streamlining your entire sales and marketing funnel, HubSpot provides an all-in-one solution with hundreds of integrations. Notion, on the other hand, offers an incredibly flexible and customizable workspace. It's perfect for creating dynamic notes, managing complex projects, and building internal wikis or knowledge bases. Teams can tailor Notion to their exact workflows, using its versatile blocks to organize information in dozens of unique ways. For those prioritizing adaptable content creation, internal collaboration, and a highly personalized organizational system, Notion provides unparalleled freedom. Ultimately, choosing between HubSpot and Notion depends on your core objectives. If you need a powerful, integrated platform for customer relationship management, marketing automation, and sales, HubSpot is likely your best bet. However, if your priority is a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace for internal project management, note-taking, and team collaboration, Notion shines. Consider your team's size, specific needs, and desired level of customization to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.